Welcome to my channel. Why does my internet keep going out? Why does my internet keep going out? Your modem and router need a restart. You have a spotty Wi-Fi signal. Your internet plan is too slow. You're having internet outages. Issue with your networking cables. Solution for internet keep going out. Restart your device. Update your device. Check if your device is auto-switching between two Wi-Fi networks. See if you're on a crowded Wi-Fi channel. Check for modem issues with your ISP. Update your network adapter drivers. Reset your computer's network settings. Try your computer's built-in network troubleshooter. Update your antivirus software. Make sure your modem and router have the latest firmware. If it does not work, then you can contact us for a better solution.